To find the inverse of 4x minus 1 over 2x plus 3, we first want to switch the x and y's in the expression. So I'm going to make it x equals 4y minus 1 over 2x plus 3. Oh, sorry, 2y plus 3. So we need to solve for y to find the inverse expression. So this is the inverse, but we want an inverse expression in terms where it's y equals. So we need to get the y out of the denominator, and we have actually two y's to deal with, so we have to be careful with that. So we end up with 2xy plus 3x, getting the y's out of the denominator, and we end up with equal to 4y minus 1. To solve for y, I need to group the y's together, so I'm going to subtract 4y from both sides, and I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides to get the x's on the other side. Now at this point, I have two y's to solve for. To do this, we need to factor the y, so that's the key. We need to factor. So we end up with 2x minus 4 times y. Now we can isolate the y. We're going to end up with y equal to negative 3x minus 1 all over the denominator of 2x minus 4. Okay, so the domain and range are just switched. So here, the domain was x not equal to negative 3 over 2. So the range in this new expression, just going to erase some of this here. The range in this new expression is going to be y is not equal to negative 3 over 2. Okay, so domain and range switch. So if the range here, using the horizontal asymptote, if I let x go to be really big, I know that the range is going to be y is not equal to 2. I can see that same range show up in the domain here, where x is not equal to 2, because I'd be dividing by 0 if I let x be 2 in the inverse expression. So I should probably write the proper notation as well. So this is going to be written as the inverse of f of x is equal to negative 3x minus 1 over 2x minus 4.